Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Joly Tematio, and in this video I want to share with you 4 simple steps that you can take today in order to fast track your path to financial freedom. These are steps which allow me to triple my income in less than 6 months, okay? And they have been used by so many people, by the most successful people all over the world, and they have yielded amazing results for each one of them. And that's why I am so confident that if you implement them on a daily basis in your life, you will definitely see an amazing result, okay? And if you are new to the channel, I will definitely invite you to subscribe, because on a weekly basis there are new videos showing you the best hacks to get a strong hold on your personal finances, as well as the strategies that will allow you to build a successful online business that will ultimately afford you to live the life of your wildest dream. Okay, so for all that good stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell to be notified when the next video is up. Now that's done, let's dive into today's content. I've actually learned this 4 step from one of my mentor, Jim Rohn. Within 6 months of implementing these goals, I was able to triple my income, and my goal now is to even go further and see how much money I can make by using these 4 simple steps. All right, therefore I will definitely invite you to implement them and let me know how much change it will have on your life. So the very first step is to make a decision in terms of how much income you want to make. Okay, so many people are not where they want to be financially because they've never gotten clear in terms of how much actually they want to make. And this have nothing to do with how much you're currently making, with how far you went at school or at university, with your background or your religion. So it's really all about how much you need to make in order to live the life to the fullest. Okay, so let's say for example that you decide to make $100,000 per year. Okay, so that's your annual income goal. So once that's done, the second step is to chunk it down. Usually our mind, when we set a huge goal, when we set a huge target, our mind just goes off because it thinks, okay, if you've never made that much money, no one in your family has made that much money, so why are you gonna make it happen? So one of the easiest way to trick your mind into believing that you could make that happen is to chunk it down. Okay, so let's say you want to make $100,000 per year. Okay, so the next step will be to make some fast math and see how much that will be on a monthly basis. Okay, so that will be around 8,200 per month on average. Okay, and on a weekly basis that will be 2,000 per week and $280 per day. Okay, so when you think in terms of $280 per day instead of 100,000 per year, it is something that your mind can digest easily than having that huge big amount. Okay, so chunking down is definitely the second step that you want to do in order to make it appear more realistic to your conscious mind, because if the goal is too huge, your conscious mind will just go into it and you will self-sabotage your effort to get there. Okay, so once you've done that, the third step, which is very critical as well, is to grab a book and a pen, and I want you to write down your goal. So you want to get clear in terms of how much you want to make and by when you want to make, and you write down that goal on a notebook as this one, and as well as an affirmation in the line of, I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm making $280 per day easily and effortlessly on a consistent basis. Okay, this is an affirmation which is coming from Bob Proctor, which I love. In my mind, he's like my grandfather. I absolutely adore him. He's basically the creator of this affirmation. This affirmation has really worked wonder for me in almost any area of in my life. Okay, and what you want to do is to really, in the morning when you wake up and before going to bed, you want to read and repeat that affirmation. Okay, and as you read and repeat, you really want to put yourself in a state in which you believe, and you have to see yourself having that type of money on a daily basis, having that type of income flowing into your bank account on a daily basis or on a monthly basis, and seeing actually what you are doing with that money. Okay, it's not only seeing the money in your account, but actually seeing things that having that amount of money will afford you to experience. Okay, maybe it's gonna be traveling to different cities, or offering some crazy gifts to your family, to your loved one, or whatever it might be that makes sense to you. You want to see yourself enjoying those type of things, having that type of lifestyle that making $100,000 per year will afford you to have, because it's critical to really prime your subconscious brain, and our subconscious brain cannot make a difference between what is real and what is imaginary. Okay, so for example, if you are watching a movie and there are some very scary scenes in a movie, right? We scream, we cry, and that's our subconscious mind reacting, okay? We don't, at the conscious level, we are not feeling the pain, but since it's something which is subconsciously, but it feels so real. And that's the same thing which happens when you are doing this exercise, because you are priming your subconscious brain to believe that you are making that type of money, okay? Because it has been proven time and time again that we create our reality, and we create this reality by our thought, by our emotion, and by how we feel, okay? And by our feelings. And our emotion dictate our actions. So you want to put yourself in a place where you are feeling the right emotion, which will then lead us to the fourth point. So the fourth point is act, okay? On a daily basis, I want you to write again three things which will allow you to get there, okay? So my goal is to make $100,000 per year, and that will be $8,200 per day. What can I do today to get closer to that goal, okay? And on a daily basis, I want you to take 3 simple actions that are in line with that goal of yours, okay? It might be to work on a skill, meet someone, to go to some networking event. It might be to reach out to someone online. It might be to take an additional course. Whatever it might be, which is in line with that goal of yours that you've set. I want you to take daily action towards that goal, because it doesn't matter how much time you spend thinking, meditating, visualizing your goal, but if at the end you don't take massive action on a daily basis, nothing's gonna happen, okay? For example, when you're going to a different city, or you're going to visit someone, a friend where you've never been, you just put the address in your GPS and you just follow the instruction, right? And that's the same which happened with your mind, okay? Once you've decided, okay, I'm going to achieve this goal, you don't have to understand right from the beginning how you're going to get there. What you have to do is to take daily action which are designed to get you there. And as you take those daily action day in and day out, as you keep your mind and as you keep your focus in that place of financial abundance, as long as your action are in line with your thought and with your emotion and with your feeling, you will definitely achieve those goals. So guys, those are the 4 simple steps which I've implemented in the past to triple my income within 6 months. And I'm definitely going to keep on implementing them moving forward to even reach higher goals. And I really invite you to try them for yourself. Let me know in the comment section if this resonates with you, if you're going to take action and make this happen, okay? And if it does, if you take action, if you truly implement this, and if you see any type of result, let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your success story implementing this simple 4-step process to achieving the life of your dream. Now, if you would like to create a full-time income working from home, there will be a link below. This link will drive you to a place where you will be able to apply for a one-on-one coaching with me, and I will really walk you through the step-by-step system that you need to take in order to create a massively successful business online, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. Share it with anyone that you think it might interest. Subscribe to the channel and like the video if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one, guys. And until then, be bold, be obsessed, be unstoppable.